How to reset your KuCoin trading password. Hey guys, today I will show you how to reset your KuCoin trading password. Okay, let's walk through this process carefully. First, open the KuCoin app on your device. You can grab it from either the App Store or Google Play if you haven't downloaded it yet. Once it's loaded, look for that profile icon usually sitting in the top left corner of the main screen. Give it a tap to access your account settings. Now, inside your profile section, you will see several options, but we're specifically looking for security settings. This is where all your account protection features live. Tap on security to continue. Once you're in the security menu, scroll through until you find trading password. This is different from your regular login password and is used specifically for executing trades. When you tap trading password, you will see a change option. Go ahead and select that. Now you'll need to enter your current trading password followed by your new desired password. Make sure your new password is strong. Mix uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. If you struggle with remembering complex passwords, consider using a password manager. After typing both your old and new passwords, double check everything for accuracy before proceeding. When you're confident everything's correct, hit the change button to finalize. That's all there is to it. You've successfully updated your trading password on KuCoin. Remember, regularly refreshing your passwords is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to keep your crypto assets secure. Please like and subscribe.